Yes, hello everyone. Welcome to our next episode of course this tutorial. Now just saying hello to all of the human and social biology students across the Caribbean, straight biology and of course integrated sense. Now I will be continuing with the series in terms of how substances move across cell membrane. Now I've already gone through the fusion, osmosis, and of course now I'm going to look at active transport. Again, just recapping, osmosis is of course the movement of water from a dilute to a more concentrated solution, while diffusion is the movement of substances from a place of high concentration to a place of lower concentration. Now, as for active transport, now they're saying that the movement of substance across a cell membrane against concentration gradient with the use of energy provided by the cell. Of course, now as for osmosis or diffusion, using this diagram, of course, the substance would move from this direction going that way. As you look at it here, you see this is the place of high concentration for the glucose, and this is the place of low concentration for the glucose. Now, as for active transport, this process normally takes place against concentration gradient, and so that is why the energy is needed, because this cell, for example, have about 7 molecules of glucose inside while 2 is outside. Now what it is saying is that even though there is 7 inside, this particular cell still need an additional 2. So if the cell should ask the fusion to allow it to enter the cell, then that would not take place, as substances don't move from a place of low concentration to high concentration as it relates to osmosis, neither the fusion. So that is why active transport come into play, where active transport allows substances to move by, of course, the energy, with the energy that is provided by the cell itself. At times, the cell needs something that is present in low concentration outside of the cell, and that is definitely what is taking place here. So active transport will be the process that will allow these 2 additional glucose to go inside the cell there. There are special molecules in the cell membrane that can grab glucose molecule in the membrane. They grab them through the cell membrane and into the cell, and that is what this diagram here is showing. Let me bring it up bigger for you. Right, so as you can see, you have the ion outside of the cell, so this is a substance that the cell would need, for example, and this would be inside the cell. Now, attached to the membrane, so the section of the cell that will do the attachment would be this section there. Number 3, pick up by the carrier, and this carrier is made of protein. Energy from respiration, that is the cell respiration, will allow the carrier to turn right there, carry it inside, and then of course you will have it released there. And then finally, number 6, you have the ion inside the cell. So this is basically how it works in terms of active transport, where of course once the cell would need a particular substance, a particular nutrient, and if it is of low concentration outside of the cell and of high concentration inside the cell, then of course the fusion or osmosis will not allow it to take place. Active transport is basically the process that will allow those extra particular substances to enter the cell, of course. So basically I've complete the different processes by which substances move in and out of a cell: diffusion, osmosis, active transport. Those are the 3 ways. So guys, if you want to get some practice question, please check out the website. I will be putting the link in the description section there. And please remember that once you want me to go over to a particular topic, you can just leave that topic in the comment or description section. So once again, please remember to click on the subscription button, and remember to share the video with your classmate and of course your teacher. So once again, thanks for viewing. Your teacher is out of here.